One.
All right, guys. This is what you guys are going to receive. This is the ePortfolio requirements. What I did was I kind of created a sample website, example website, to show you guys what the requirements of your portfolio are. So on the intro page, there's a little intro here that explains what the purpose of it is, and then directions. So it says write a letter or post a video. So if you want to do a video, you absolutely can. Introduction for the viewers of your portfolio. So it's going to be letter format. Obviously, it's just 2 paragraphs. This explains what needs to be in each paragraph, and then sincerely, and you will write your name there. Again, just kind of an intro to your ePortfolio webpage. You will then do a brag sheet. So brag sheet, all of the requirements for it are right here. Okay. You guys will have this website, so I'm not going to go through all of these. You can read. And then work samples. So this is where you are going to include the samples of things that you have done within your class. Okay, within your classes for throughout school. So I said you do not have to be from just this year. Okay, the work does not have to just be from your classes as a 7th grader or 8th grader, but you need an example from science, math, social studies, English, and electives. Okay, there's lots of ways to go about this, lots of ways to insert them. You can insert links to Google Doc, links to slides. So this talks about slide sheets, slides, presentations, all of those things. You can take a picture of something, like if you did it in art, if you're working on something in art, you want to put on there, take a picture of it, save it to your drive, and then upload it to the Weebly page. So there's lots of ways to attach the work. And then your contact page will be similar to this. Okay. Edit the text here, say, please feel free to get a hold of me. My thoughts for this is it's kind of a practice for you guys to be able to create a web page, be able to create a page that kind of will be like a portfolio that you could send off to colleges, that you could send off to potential employers. Weebly itself is fairly user-friendly, but it's not as simple as Google, and it's not as simple as Google because there's a lot more things you can do with it. Okay, so what I want you to do is make yours look obviously prettier than mine. Mine is just an example of what you need to do. So you can edit the background, you can change things in these sections however you want. You can put images in, click image. You can put a slideshow in. You probably won't do that. Button, if you're using links, okay, remember the button feature, it's the same thing. And then you'll put the link in right here. Website URL, that will be your shareable link from Google. So you can insert that, especially on your work samples page. You can use buttons for that. Again, if you guys chose a theme, which is absolutely fine, you might have to go through and delete stuff. So to delete, I've deleted everything already, but to delete, you'll just click let me show you where, up here, and it'll say delete. Or on some of the stuff that is already built in, again, delete there. I think it's always just going to be up there. Yeah. So that's how that's going to look. Have fun with this. Okay. Take your time. You have until the 21st to complete this. If you want to make a video again for the introduction, you can use your phone. You can do that at home. If you need to leave the classroom, we can probably find a place for you to go to make that intro video. Again, the intro video, you need to make sure that you're explaining all of this stuff. So you might want to have something written out first. Again, this is something that will just potentially attract employers, universities, colleges, vocational schools to you. So that's really it. Obviously, you have questions, let me know, and we'll figure out what we need to do to help.